Hey folks, I have a box of these 4-inch 5 CCT retrofit downlight inserts. Basically you take existing lights that have a bulb in them, you pull the bulb out, you screw this into the socket hole and connect it to your light and push your light up into the recess. That's a 6-inch across light fixture. But notice how small the bulb is. So usually if you buy a 6-inch across, it's going to fit all the way across and block out that black housing. And this is what it looks like inside. So it turns your two-tone light fixture with the white trim and black, and then the white bulb into all white, which looks a little monotone. So I figured out how I can use these smaller ones that I got, mistakenly ordered the wrong size, inside the 6-inch housing. When these things are pushed up into the attic, there's two little metal clips here. They go on each side and they sit like that. When you push it up, it bends them down and it holds them out against the housing that's in the ceiling. Sometimes up inside there'll be a little clip area for this arm to rest in. Yeah, this one I pulled out, these little metal clips, they're bent. So this one's all dirty, this one's right over the grill. So I'm just going to take this spare one I have. See the little groove right there? It has to go over the edge of this metal. Here we go. Got some nice wings. So again, this will be up in the ceiling. This will screw in here, and then you connect it to here. But notice that these have, in addition to a little gasket, little flexi metal clips. You can just push that in there. And because you can see that these are ribbed here, that if I just push that in there, it clamps in. Gives me a nice look. So I'm going to use them. I'm going to put them out here on this back porch. And of course I don't want to disturb whatever that is. Some kind of giant moth. I thought it was a bat at first. So you can see that's typically how they would be installed. Like I said, the insert would fit all the way across. And they have other variations in these with different types of clips, but I'm going to try them the way I have it. Screw it in, connect it, push it up. And here's the other one. I guess this is dual instruction where you have these longer clips on them. I don't have those in this kit. I have a selectable CCT from 2700 to 5000. There's 5 different sort of color tones I can have. It does tell you if you want to use a dimmer. You can see from either Leviton or Lutron what the dimmers they recommend. 120 volt. Let's test what it looks like first. I have a little portable light. And I'm going to connect it. Okay, let's plug it in. And let's turn it on. that's bright. See the settings on here. You don't have high, medium, and low intensity. That's why you would put a dimmer on the wall. You only have the tone settings. So you can tell what that looks like. See, it's going from the blue all the way down to the softer yellow. I'm going to go with probably 4,000. This is 5,000. 4,000. All the way down to 2,700. 2,700, 3,000, 3,500, 4,000, 5,000 K. I want it bright out here. That almost looks like a daylight light bulb. Let's turn the light on, see what it looks like. Cool. I hope she likes it. If you have to take this out, get a tiny metal screwdriver or plastic one and just pull the edge out. It'll fall. Of course, it's still attached, so it's not going to hit the ground. Pushing it in. The little orange clip up in there, the wires up in, just on top of the light. Just push firmly. We'll test it now. We'll come look at it when it gets dark. Looks good. I gotta fix that one, didn't? The main housing came off. I might as well show you what that looks like in there. This one came down, didn't go back up right, so let's pull it down and look. Turn it a little bit. What you're gonna find up there. Yeah, you see the little arms? They bend down like this. And you can clip into the top of this thing. You see on the socket, there's little spring clamp looking things, and they're going to go right inside. See, they just poked in the same hole. You push this little ceramic holder in and they clip on top of here. All right, let's push this back up. There we go. See what it looks like at night. Ooh, nice and bright. Awesome. It's hard to see with the camera, but it's a clean light. When you look up at it, it's not all fuzzy. I like the optics.